Oh my god, can you believe it? The resources are here and look how fast they're growing. This is absolutely fantastic, guys. Hello, and welcome to my channel. Before doing anything, I'll make sure my power saving mode is turned off. All good. The same thing applies for iOS devices. Meanwhile, I want to show how many resources I have in my game right now. By the way, make sure you click on your profile or settings in-game now and copy your user ID or username. First thing I want to do is to go here, as you can clearly see on the screen right now, and search for our game or app name. But there are many others if anyone wants to check them out too. Takes a bit of time to load. Here I have to enter the username or user ID we were talking about earlier. Then I'm going to select Android because that's what I'm playing on. I'll also go with the max number of resources because why not? I want to get all the sauce after going through this process, not gonna lie. Sometimes they might ask you to do an additional step after this, but don't worry about it. If it happens, they will surely provide everything as needed in order to be a smooth experience. Now let's go back to our game and see what happened. And let's see. Oh my god, can you believe it? The resources are here and look how fast they're growing. This is absolutely fantastic, guys. Imagine not having to waste any minute waiting to open those boxes they're gifting you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and even a subscribe if you wish. That would help a lot. Have a wonderful day.